Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install an iPhone-like keyboard on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To do that, go to Play Store, then search for Green Apple keyboard. Now click on Install. Then click on Open. And now click on Enable in Settings. Then Enable Green Apple Keyboard, click on OK. Then click on OK. Then go back. Then click on Switch Input Methods. And now you can switch it to Green Apple Keyboard. And click on Finished. Now you can exit out of the app or adjust some settings in the app. And then you can go into any app you can type in, for example to Google, and you can see that there's my iPhone keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.